What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update, man. We got a few cars on the list. We're probably at the cheapest auction in town today, and you guys know this is probably one of my favorite auctions. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to check back tomorrow if you're wondering what any of these cars go for. With that said and done, man, let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, first up on the list here, we got a 2005 Chevy Equinox here, 143,000 miles on the dash. From a first glance, it does look pretty good. I don't see any body damage so far, except for this door over here. You're gonna need, man, it's freezing out here. Y'all hear it in my voice, man. Y'all gonna need a new wheel for that front wheel right there. You can probably actually push this trim back in somehow. This window is broken. You got glass and everything up here. The interior itself, I guess it does look pretty fair. Just gonna need this window replaced. That window's down. All the windows are down, so I don't even know if these windows work or not. But I mean, you know, it looks pretty fair. You got the little tow hitch back there. 05 Chevy Equinox. I'm not really sure if this is the one that's good to get or not, but we can just pop under the hood really quick just to give you guys a quick look. We are missing a battery. You're gonna need a battery there, but I don't know. I guess it's pretty fair though. What you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a 06 Chevy Impala, and I believe this one was here last week. This one actually has 177,000 miles. First glance, it does look cool. However, we do have a little tequila kick here on the fender. You do have the aftermarket black housing headlights, which is cool. 177,000 miles. You guys can just take a quick look. It does have the typical Impala interior cloth. Looks just like all the other million Impalas out there. Nothing too crazy. The paint is a little mismatchy in the back. But 06, me personally, I think I'm gonna pass. This is like the first model of this model, the first year of this model rather. And this one had a lot of like little problems here and there. So me personally, I'm gonna pass. But if you like it, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So next up, man, we got a 2004 Toyota Camry here, 215,000 miles on the dash. I know you guys been begging me to get a Camry. First glance, that bumper looks like it took a slight hit, nothing crazy on both sides. Actually, you're gonna need these headlights restored. Body looks fairly good. However, this little side mirror is off. You have a parking violation here, so that kind of tells me that this thing either is broken down or it doesn't run, or I don't know. But if we take a look at the inside, it does look pretty good in here, guys. The interior and everything looks to be fair. Seems pretty legit. We can actually pop the hood on this bad boy, but before we get to the hood, let's just check out the back and make sure everything else is intact. And it does look to be intact, so we can pop open this hood, and this will be something that we might be interested in today. 215,000 miles on the Camry. Under the hood, it doesn't look as good as the outside of the car, but I mean, I don't know. I'll let you guys tell me what y'all think about it, man. Let me know what you think about the Toyota Camry in the comments below. Right, so next up, man, we got a 05 Toyota Corolla here, 111,000 miles on the dash. First glance, it looks like the top is a little bit faded up there. The paint is going bad. Second glance, you're gonna need some hubcaps for these wheels. We can pop open this hood really quick and just take a quick little look under here. It is pretty dirty, so I'm guessing they haven't did any maintenance or anything on this motor in a while. 111,000 miles. Does have a parking violation sticker on there. You can take a quick look at the inside. You do have the regular cloth seats, nothing too crazy. The back looks fair. The front seats look pretty good. And if you take a look up here, the interface and everything up here looks to be intact, to say the least. Body wise, I mean, overall it does look good. You can take this thing to Mako, throw some hubcaps on it, and this thing will look brand new. at 111,000 miles, man. This will be a good resale car. You can grab it here today for cheap, and I'm sure you can. So let's stay tuned for that and see what this thing goes for. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a 2006 Toyota Yaris here, 118,000 miles on the dash. Probably one of the better cars here today. Body wise, first glance, it does look really good. We can just pop this hood really quick. You're missing like a radiator cap of some sort. It looks like they filled that up down there, but you just got to keep an eye on that. 118,000 miles, guys. It does have a parking violation sticker on there. Tells me it does not run. If it does, it probably runs pretty horrible. If we take a look at the inside, it does have that cloth black interior. The back looks pretty fair. However, it is a stick shift. And we don't really buy stick shift cars because that just, you know, everybody can drive an automatic car. Not everybody can drive a stick car. So just makes more sense to, you know, get automatic from the go. So you don't have to be telling everybody, oh, it's a manual, and then you miss the sale. So what do you guys think about the Toyota Yaris stick shift? Let me know in the comments below. 2001 Toyota Tacoma here, 130,000 miles on the dash. Does look really good, man, if you ask me. Seems pretty legit. The tires do look new. Do have a parking violation on there. However, we take a look at the inside. Seems pretty fair for '01. Got the little back seats there. Nothing too crazy. Everything in here seems to be intact. The bed and everything. It has the TRD off-road package, I guess. Pre-runner V6, and this thing is looking pretty good, guys. What do you guys think about the Tacoma? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a '05 Subaru Outback here, 171,000 miles on the dash. First glance, it does look pretty good. We can take a look on this side. It does look really good. However, you got a slight kickage, little tequilage there. You can pop the hood on this daddy-o really quick. Oh yeah, looks really good under there, guys. I don't see anything that stands out. Honestly, everything looks really clean and well kept. 171,000 miles, guys. I definitely wouldn't mind getting the Subaru, as these things pretty much hold their value for a while. If we take a look on the inside, does look really good. Has that nice cloth tan interior. Does look really good in here, guys. Everything up front is in there, and I don't see anything that really stands out to me. It is the wagon, has the little hatch in the back, which is cool. You do have that little tow hitch there, so that's pretty fair. You got the Versace. I don't know what you guys think about the Subaru Outback, man. Let me know in the comments below. Next up, guys, we got a '06 Nissan Sentra here, man. Does look really good. Has 97,000 miles on the clock. Looks really good. This is actually the Nissan Sentra Special Edition, whatever Special Edition means. Before we get to the side of the car, we'll actually just pop this bad boy and see what we see under here. You're missing an engine cover, but I mean, everything under there does look pretty decent. I don't see anything out the ordinary, and the coolant level is pretty much full, so that's a plus there. Like I said, guys, it is the Special Edition. If you guys know anything about the difference between a Special Edition and a regular one, let me know in the comments below right now. However, you do got a huge tequila kick over here on the door. If we pop this joint open, you do got, this looks leather, but it's not. They definitely been sitting in this seat for freaking ever. Everything up here looks to be intact. I don't see anything that stands out to me. Seems pretty fair. Other than that door, of course, over there, but pretty legit. Should be an easy fix, and I'm sure this thing will go pretty cheap here today, so stay tuned for that. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a 2014 Ford Focus here, 67,000 miles. You do have like these amberish lights. However, this thing is sitting on bricks. I don't know if the suspension is bad or what. However, it does say it have a coolant leak up there, so you might need a little radiator. We can pop this hood open really quick though. Where are we at with it? I don't see it. There we go. That's a weird latch. I never seen a latch like that. Yeah, this thing has been sitting for a while and somebody's been working on it. So me personally, I know you're not gonna want this, so we'll keep it moving. But I'll just give you guys a quick walk around of it, let you see what the inside looks like. Got the ST in the seats. You got some parts and stuff in the inside. Not really my flavor, but if you like it, I love it, man. So it is what it is. Let's move along. We got a 04, we got a 2004 Kia Optima we're not bidding on. Don't want to waste your time there. We got a 06 Nissan Altima, 139,000 miles. First glance, it does look pretty cool. Paint is faded on the hood, however. Paint is also faded all along the top. And take a quick peek at this joint just to make sure there's no body damage before we waste our time. Just look at the inside really quick. I mean, it's pretty whooped in here, guys. I don't know what's up with this steering wheel. It looks kind of off to me. But if we take a look in the inside, I guess it looks pretty fair. You can get this thing, I guess, looking pretty decent, pretty easily. But it is a 06, man, and you know, it's just so many options nowadays. So it's like, why waste time on an older car? But I mean, if you get it for a good price, I wouldn't mind it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, more cars we're not bidding on here. We got a 2014 Chevy Spark here. This thing, they was doing a dash and then freaking totaled that joint. Man. Next up, guys, we got a 04 Jeep Grand Cherokee here. Does look, I mean, more decent than most. We got 164,000 miles on the dash. You're gonna need a new tire on that passenger side. Well, one that matches these, of course. If you take a quick look at the inside, guys, has that nice leather grayish interior. Smells like cologne in this joint. You got a little jacket, third row back there. I don't know if it has a third row. I doubt it has the third row, but I mean, looks fairly decent. Off-road 4x4. Not really my flavor, but man, if you like it, I love it. And again, this is the special edition, whatever that means. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, and a couple more cars we're not gonna be bidding on here today. We got an 02 Ford Explorer right here, 180,000 miles. It does says it have a rod noise, so I'm pretty sure that motor is gonna be going if it hasn't already. We got a what else we got? We got a 98 Toyota Camry here, 192,000 miles. Definitely just look whoop, and I don't want to put my time and effort into that. We got a 06 Nissan Impala. We got a 06 Nissan Altima here. Bad motor on this one, so we're not going to be bidding on that one. First foreign car of the day, guys. We got a 05 BMW 325i, and this one is a salvage title, man. So we're just going to keep this one pretty quick. You know, at the public auctions, we don't really bid on salvage vehicles, because if we wanted salvage, we just go to Copart and get something way newer. But I'll give you guys a quick little look at it. I mean, it's not much to see, but I know a lot of people are crazy over BMWs. They don't really care if they're reliable or not. They just want to be in a BMW and Snapchat the steering wheel. But it is what it is, man. Not my flavor. Keeping it moving here. We got a 2000 Toyota Camry here as well. This one has 217,000 miles. Definitely gonna pass on that one. Next up, guys, we got a 2011 Ford Fusion here, 105,000 miles. It does say the axle is broke, and this thing, it looks like you're running on 4 flats. Cadillac, we go back like a Cadillac on 4 flats. I'm dying. But man, they was drag racing this joint and bashed that joint. I mean, it'll be a pretty simple, easy fix. Get that axle switched out, get that fender. But then again, you never know if that's the only problem with it. And me personally, I don't want to put work into nothing. I just want to get a good deal, clean it up, park it, and sell it. This interior is so whooped and dirty though, y'all. It's crazy how people like don't clean their cars. Like, these cars be so whooped and dirty in the inside. You do got a huge tequila kick on that side. This is the SE model. If you guys know anything about the Ford Fusion, man, let me know in the comments below. Next up, guys, we got a Mitsubishi. Wow, I haven't seen one of these in a while. We got a 2003 Mitsubishi Galant here, 211,000 miles on the dash. From a first glance, man, it does look pretty clean. The paint, it has some nice hubcaps on it. Does look really good. If we take a look at the inside, it does have this nice light gray cloth interior, and the interior looks to be pretty clean as well. Looks like they might have just got like a shampoo or something, because the back seats you can still see like the vacuum or whatever. But I mean, the inside of this Joan is really nice, really clean. I wouldn't mind grabbing this thing. Got a little bumper hangage right here. You might be able to fix that. Yeah, no, that thing, it ripped all the way off the bumper, so you might need a new bumper. However, it's not that bad to where you need one right away. So if you just want to buy something, then get the bumper. But other than that, it's looking pretty fair and decent. 211,000 miles. Let's take a look under this hood. I mean, it looks pretty fair under here, guys. I don't know too much about the Mitsubishi Galant, so if you know anything about this car, man, let me know in the comments below if it's reliable or not. Next up, guys, more cars we're not bidding on. We got a 97 Chevy Malibu here, 222,000 miles. We got an 01 Honda Accord 4-door here, sitting on 3 wheels, doing 3-wheel motion. Okay, yeah, not gonna bid on that. We got an 06 Chrysler 300, does have a bad motor. And you got that Bentley logo on that joint. So, I mean, I guess that's a plus if you like Bentleys and stuff. You got an 05 Honda Accord as well. Paint is super faded. Definitely not my cup of tea. You got an 04 Trailblazer. Also not my cup of tea. So let's just keep it moving here. And that's the V6. If it was a V8, we'd be interested. Then we have a couple more cars over here, guys, that we're not bidding on. But I'm going to show you because I'm a nice guy. Got an old like F-150. This thing seems pretty fair, pretty legit. And what year is this? 1991 Ford F-150, 65,000 miles, F-150 Lariat. The newer ones like this is really nice. I was thinking about grabbing one, but I don't know. I kind of just want my dream car first, so gonna pass. I don't even know what this kind of car is. Chevy 1980. Damn, I can't even say it right. Next up, guys, we got a 1980 Chevy Love. A Chevy Love here. Never even seen one of these. This is like way before my time. Got a Chevy Love here, man. If you guys know anything about the Chevy Love, let me know in the comments below. We could take a quick look at the inside. Looks pretty fair. It is a stick shift. Seems pretty legit. You got the little bird cage or whatever they had back here. Oh yeah, and this thing is from Arizona. Wow. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about the Chevy Love, man. Let me know in the comments below. And these are cars that absolutely don't run. They're broken down. All of the above. You can get these things for like 50 bucks. Anywhere between $50 and $150 for any car over here. But then again, like I said, none of them run. So if you know how to make money from cars that don't run, man, this will be perfect for you. You got a Regal right here on the low on some Daytons. Dang, the whole Dayton is off. Ooh, got some 3-wheel motions up in there. Jump, got the low. So alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. If you're curious what these cars go for, be sure to check back out tomorrow, because that video is going to be up first thing in the morning. Let me know what you thought about the cars today. What was your favorite car? What do you think they're going to go for? Till then, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.